Hi guys, welcome to my blog. So for today's video, I'm going to do a review on a Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in monogram style. So just to give you a little bit of a background for this 6 key holder, I first purchased this key holder on December last year. So since then, I've been using it every day. So it's really, very handy, and it's really worth it for me because I put all my keys in here, and I also put some cards on it. So whenever I go shopping, I go for work, so it's very handy. So that's why I really love that. I'm really happy that I purchased this 6 key holder. So first, I'll show you what fits inside. So in here, you can see I have two set of keys, and I have this keychain. So it's a lucky charm for me, so I just put it here. So yeah, it fits well. And also on the back, I have some, just for example, I have my one card here, but you can fit two cards on the back. So just for reference, I'll show you. I'll get another card. So just pretending I'll put one of my other loyalty card on the back, so it still fits. Actually, you can fit more, maybe one more card will fit here. And so it closes like this. So yeah. So if you're using your your designer bag that you don't want to get scratched, so I really recommend you to purchase one of these 6 key holder. Or there's also like a 4 key holder, but the price is almost like the same, so that's why I would recommend to go to a 6 key holder. It's also a bit more spacious than the 4 key holder one. So in terms of wear and tears, so far from the 10 months that I'm using this 6 key holder, I haven't noticed any change. So I'll show you. Nothing. There's no scratch or no peeling, nothing. And I've been using it every day. So whenever I go to work, I put it in my bag, and also whenever I go for shopping, I just carry this one, and I'm off I go. So there's no scratch as well in here. They're still very shiny. The hardware is still shiny, and only there's a tarnishing on my keychain. But yeah, I just make sure it's flat before I close this. And yeah, that's it. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the 6 key holder that I got from Louis Vuitton. And I think at the price, they still sell the same at the same price in store. I think they have a multiple price increase, but the price of 6 key holders remain the same since I last purchased it on December. So yeah. So oh, by the way, so one more thing, I know some people have a problem with this button. They easily get scratched, so that's the only thing that I have to look and be mindful with when you're using it. So some people, they put a clear polish in here for extra protection, but I haven't put anything on mine. So but they're still fine at the moment. Maybe they're just very tiny dot, if you can see, but otherwise they're still the same. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified if there's a new video that is up, and please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much.